Hello to everyone watching. My name is Darja Stoeva, and in this video I will present my Pioneers abstract with the title Body Language in Affective Human-Robot Interaction. What you are seeing here is a video of the HyderCML study. For those of you who don't know it, it's about people attributing attention and goal-directed interactions to geometrical shapes just by watching them move. It talks about the importance of movement in our social interactions and perception. Inspired by this, we will focus our research on the functionalities that can be expressed through body language, and by body language we mean body movement, gestures, and postures, and which of those are necessary for effective HRI. We are currently working on a collaborative project with Helena Freins and Oliver Schurer, where the aim is to transfer the body motion from a human to the robot Pepper from SoftBank. We are doing this by using Kinect 2 and OpenPose to extract 3D human joint positions, here shown from a different angle. These are then fitted in a mathematical model based on inverse and forward kinematics, which translates the joint positions into joint angles and sends them as commands to Pepper, resulting in imitated movement. This system was partially inspired by a dance performance that we were part of, which includes a professional dancer and 2 Pepper robots. If you want to know more about the performance, you can visit this website. So, I will conclude my presentation with what follows, and that is evaluation of the system that I've just explained, while also evaluating the ability of Pepper to mimic and synchronize to human body motion. Then what will follow is user studies, where main research topics will be interpersonal coordination, which is an umbrella term for interactional mimicry and synchrony, and detection and responding to initiation of an interaction. And finally, these 2 topics will be then used as an interactional framework where more scenarios will be examined. That was all. Thank you for watching.